is the time for giving and loving. This is my word for everyone. Merry Christmas. May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love, laughter, and goodwill, and may the year ahead be full of contentment and joy. Let's welcome our opening remarks to be by Galahan.
Clap your hands.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Jump 8 times. Say good morning, everybody.
1, 2, 3, good morning, everybody.
Jump 8 times. Say good morning, everyone.
1, 2, 3, good morning, everyone.
Ready na, ready na.
Aha, aha.
Aha, aha.
Hindi na.
Welcome in 2024 Christmas party occasion. Despite that, I hope na this night, mag-enjoy tayo, maging masaya tayo ngayong gabi, na i-celebrate yung Christmas party natin. Kahit ganito tayo, kung kailan tayo, iparamdam natin na mag-feel natin yung Christmas this year. Bago matapos yung taon na to, dapat yung pagmamahal ang mangyari. Despite that, enjoy natin yung this day, yung night natin, gawin natin yung best natin na maging masaya yung party natin ngayon. Yan lang, thank you.
Yan. Plakpakan!
So, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
What?
What?
Gusto niyo ba ng intermission number?
Oh yes, brother.
Intermission number to goodbye.
Right.
Rising team.
Rising team to the top.
Oo, ano na. Oo. Kanta, oo. Doon kayo mag-kuhan sa ating sound system, si Mami nyo Marisho.
Ano yun na? Udot? Udot na! Go na!
Sige na.
Sana ngayong Pasko.
Oh, ano ang kanta? Request. Yan.
Tangan mo kayo.
Kantahan nyo.
Tayo lang.
At kahit wala ka na, nalalaman umaasa rin ako. Nakikita mo, at maasahan na sa araw ng Pasko. Ngunit wala ka pa, hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Maramdaman, kailan lumisan pa, hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit